we want the same formula for the given column. Then we do something like this. Suppose for this bracket we want equals to a formula equals to the uh, entity d3. Yes, and no, we want c3. Okay, here is automatically written c3 divided upon from 2842. We select 2842 here. 2842 selected, c11 into 100. We want this, so after entering we get the value 42%. So we want to apply the same formula for all this column. Okay, then we just simply select this, and like this we drag it from top to where we want. Yeah, so here we get the answers.